Guys, it's Ruthie with the Popo Backyard Farm. This is my all green spider plant. This was given to me from my sister as a gift, and there's actually two of them in here. And I want to collect all the spider plants. I think it's so beautiful. And it has just grown and grown and grown. This was a baby that she cut off of her spider plant. And it's really easy to take care of these guys in the winter because now it's getting into the cooler weather. I water it about once a month. I can put it in a sunny window, but it all depends on your house. I found with house plants, you got to kind of like move them around and find out where they're happy. I'm pretty much a big person on potted plants for that reason, because if they don't like their spot, they'll just die on you. But it will have little babies eventually and shoot off of it, but it's growing pretty good. It's doing great. I can hardly wait for it to grow bigger and shoot off some more. And just a really pretty plant. They're kind of a little bit like like grass. You can clip them down and they just grow back. Just a beautiful little plant. So let me know if you have a spider plant and what kind you have. And remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.